Hey everyone! I'm excited to share my first week experience with the M3 Max MacBook Pro. I've got the almost fully maxed out configuration, and it's been a huge leap forward from my 2018 MacBook Pro. In this video, I'll give you my thoughts on what makes this the fastest machine currently on the market. My previous machine was the best money could buy back then and served me through work and school, which relied heavily on image processing, rendering, and the Adobe suite. It handled everything without a hitch at the time. In the past couple of years though, it's been deteriorating fast. The battery life has become abysmal, often jumping from 60% to 5% in the blink of an eye. As I take on new projects that demand more processing power, it was time for an upgrade. Since it's not every day I buy a new MacBook, I filmed this unboxing to commemorate this moment. It's a 14-inch M3 Max with a 16-core CPU, 40-core GPU, and a whopping 120 GB of unified memory. The only spec I didn't max out was the SSD storage. I went for the space black color for a change of pace. While the power cord matches, the charger is still white. Seems like a bit of a supply chain hiccup on Apple's end. To protect my investment, I ordered a custom Casetify case. With the case on, you wouldn't even know this is a Mac. The keyboard looks like it would belong to any Lenovo ThinkPad. The metal even feels a bit different from my older Macs. The biggest adjustment is the size. Going from a 15-inch to a 40-inch screen takes some getting used to, but the weight difference is amazing. This thing is only 3.5 pounds compared to the old one's 4 pounds. Apple also upgraded the ports in the new Macs because 4 USB-C ports are redundant, and I'm glad to see a little variety in the ports on the new Mac. Here's a quick spec comparison. The 2018 MacBook Pro has 2.2 GHz 6-core Intel Core i7 with 16 GB memory, and the M3 Max MacBook Pro has the Apple M3 Max Silicon with 128 GB of unified memory. Oh, and the battery life difference is night and day. My new Mac lasts up to 22 hours. I chose to go nearly all out on specs because I anticipate technology evolving rapidly and I want this machine to keep up. Of course, I wasn't editing 4K videos on my old MacBook Pro. That wasn't even possible. I share an M1 Ultra Mac Studio with Ryan, and that's what I've been using for video editing. But editing 4K on this new M3 Max is noticeably faster. So far, this machine feels like every other major Apple upgrade I've experienced. It's lightning fast, there's no lag, and it effortlessly handles everything I throw at it. So what's next? I'm excited to see what amazing things I can create with this new MacBook Pro. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!